Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more gorgeous hair transformations. So if you've been looking for something new and exciting to do with your strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Loving this contrasting hair color, she looks absolutely stunning, followed by someone who has shoulder length hair. Looks like she will be getting some color for this one. And then the stylist proceeds to cut the hair into a bob. Wow, gorgeous makeover. And this bob is a great length. It does end just above the shoulders. And then we have another long to semi-short transformation, or semi-long to semi-short transformation. It looks like she decided to switch things up with a pixie. Wow! I love the amount of fullness and thickness that this pixie has. Beautiful bangs to frame out the face. Oh, this is stunning. Very nice. And then we have someone heading to the salon with some grown out color. And she switches things up with this beautiful copper colored hair. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with curly hair. Looks like she got a curly bob style. So this is the before. Beautiful bangs to help frame out this bob. And I love her hair color too. Very pretty ginger tone. And her natural curls look amazing. Looks like we have another cut refresh here. She decided to switch things up with this mini bob style. I love the amount of volume that this has. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. She has such beautiful hair. I also like the fact that her natural grays are mixed in here. Beautiful angled shape, very nice. Next up, we have someone mixing some layers into their strands, a little bit of a cut with this mid-length style. And then we have our last transformation for today's video. So she has some mid-length hair to start. Oh, she ends up getting this shaggy bob haircut. Beautiful bangs going in the front, and this is one of the most popular bob haircut trends that we will be seeing this season. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hair ideas with me today and you were able to see and find some inspiration. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.